How to mute sound on Insta360 X5. So on your device, scroll down to the control panel. Then go ahead and select sound icon. Now over here you'll see the option of mute. Tap on it. Now once you select the option of mute, when you turn on your camera or turn off your Insta360 device, there won't be any sound coming from the device once you mute it. So for now, let's turn off the device. And you can see that there's no sound coming from the device. Now let's turn on the device again. As you can see that there's no sound coming from the device. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.